What is Diavol Ransomware? Diavol is the associate with developer from the Trigboot group who are the responsible for Trigboot banking Trojan. Diavol encrypts files solely using RSA encryption key, and its code is capable for prioritizing file types of the encrypt based on a pre-configured list of extension defined by the attackers. According to CRT in the ransomware is compiled with Microsoft Visual C++ compiler. The ransomware encrypt files of user by making use of user mode asynchronous procedures called with an asymmetric encryption algorithm. The Diavol ransomware was observed generating for each victim computer's unique identifier and then attempting to connect to a hard-coded command and control server. The FBI encourages the Diavol victim to share any information they can on the attack and points out they should not pay ransom, as that would not guarantee the recovery of encrypted data. To unveil such an attack is often referred to as a Diavol ransomware. It's essentially malware that takes a control of your computer and lock down all of its files and data and blackmail the victim's transfer to a particular amount to ransomers. Sometime in specific time frame, failing to do so called result in the deletion of crucial data. The ransomware is being shared via email, where it asks the user to download the zip file that consists of an ISO file that consists of another LNK file and a DLL. When open, it mounts on the system and the LNK file, which look like a document file temp that used to open it. After it's open, the damage is done and the system begin to get infected and multiply. The virus starts by pre-processing on the victim's computer, registering it with a remote server, locating drives and files to encrypt.